In this video, we are going to see how we can recover the deleted post on Facebook. So let's say that you have posted a video or a picture, whatever it is. If you have accidentally deleted it by clicking on the three dots and you click on, let's say, move to trash, it says the items in your trash will be automatically deleted after 30 days. That means you still have the chance. If you are in that 30 days, you should be able to recover that. And you can also recover this by going to the activity log. So click on move. Make sure the post that you want to recover is not older than 30 days. So in order to recover this, just go to the top right hand corner and click on your profile icon and click on the settings. From here, just head over to the settings. Or otherwise, if you want to see it on the front, you just click on the profile icon, click on the settings, and from here you can directly access the activity log. Click on this. And at the bottom left hand corner, you will see this trash icon. Click on this and you should be able to see the post that you have just deleted. So if you want to delete it permanently, or you want to restore to the profile, or you want to archive this, you should be able to do that easily. Click on restore, and that is how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.